In this tutorial, you will learn 2 methods: copy and paste, rename, delete. Windows 11 operating system. Let's start. First method, copy and paste. Under Documents, I have Project folder. First, I will show you how you can copy it. Select that folder and right-click. So this window will pop up, and you will see on first row second option, copy. And then click this paste icon here. So your copied folder create here. Second way, copy and paste. So if you want to copy and paste, select the folder and from your keyboard choose Ctrl+C for copy. From your keyboard choose Ctrl+V for paste. How to rename your folder. Select this copied folder and right-click. Fourth option, ringing, or you can press F2. In this box, add your change name and it will update immediately. You can easily rename your folder. I will show you how to delete folder in 2 ways. See the first one and select this folder and right-click. So this will bring you into this page. Choose this last delete icon and click on it. So you see your folder delete from here. I will show you how to delete folder in 2 ways. See the second method. This is the quick way to delete your folder. Select your folder. From your keyboard choose delete and press on it. So if you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.